Ha! All the naira money. We are the world. Anyị nwa bụ ndị agha na-ekwu maka ha ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo isi afụrụ kwaba okpu onye si na ọ bụghị ọ bụrụ ya ome gịnị anyị nwa bụ ndozi ọdịnala ụmụ ibe Igbo heritage is where we are coming from, the inheritance of our father. Ọ bụ anyị nwa bụ ndị agha bịara so that we will defend and protect our ancestors from drowning by ndị ọjọọ. We will clean their eyes, clean their face, refurnish them, cleanse them up, bring them to the world market. We are anyị nwa bụ ndị agha. Ndozi ọdịnala Igbo is our religion. Jekwegwa ha. Carry your own witchcraft ọdịnala Igbo go. Ndozi ọdịnala is a baptized enlightenment ịmụnye ọkụ nke ime mmụọ. Ndozi ọdịnala is a religion on its own, independently, not ọdịnala. Ndozi ọdịnala is independent from ọdịnala Igbo. So that before you na-egbu ewu na ọkụkọ, anyị anaghị egbu ewu na ọkụkọ. We don't kill animals. Morality is the ability to understand or differentiate between wrong and right. The foundation of ihe anyị na-eme, of our movement, is based on value, principle, ethic, and morality. So every living thing on earth must have our respect and honor. Every living thing must have our respect and our honor. We don't need animals to do anything. We don't need them for anything. We must take care of them. We must take care of the planet, the animals, the sea, the human being. The mission is to join the body and the mind together. Ndozi ọdịnala remains our religion independently from any what. In Ndozi ọdịnala, our way of worship is enlightenment. Ịmụnye ọkụ nke ime mmụọ. Ịmụnye ọkụ nke onye ọbụla na-enweghị ọkụ ime mmụọ, you cannot pass the underworld. If you like, you go and deceive yourself. Deceive yourself from 100 million years. The truth is truth and the fact is fact. You cannot pass here underworld without ịmụ ọkụ nke ime mmụọ. Close your eyes and you see it that you are blind. You are a blind man. If you are a blind human being, unless me ịmụnyere ọkụ nke ime mmụọ, when you enlighten the mind of the heart, enlighten the mind of the mind, only then you can pass this underworld. People want a chance to do evil. Now, I tell you, religion is this. Religion simple means ịkwa akwa. Religion means ịkwa akwa. Rejoin the broken pieces. All of you ignorant, look at the crescent moon and the full moon. That means religion. Ndị nkịtị, they will come to Facebook and shout spirituality and religion. Differentiate the two for me. Tell me the difference between religion and spirituality. Africa is spirituality, not religion. a na-asụ oyibo speaking English language you don't understand. Ọdịnala what now ị ga-ata ọdịnala ha ata, eat it. Anyị nwa bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. The New Testament, the divine will of the creator. Anyị nwa bụ the divine will. Ndị dị asọ, go and eat your witchcraft and your demonology. Aya, eat the witchcraft and demonology. I told you it's witchcraft you are doing and you don't accept it. The only reason why they run away from Christianity is to go and do witchcraft and demonology, because it gives them right to do it. They use excuses and tell you Christianity is evil. What? This one, religion is evil, because they don't want any responsibility. No, they want to be free to do evil. Now you see them on Facebook showing that. You see them displaying who they are. The only thing owing them, only thing jihasinsi, but that Christianity. Before you go and join them to condemn Christianity, what is holding these people forever since not been beheading you is Christianity. Ihe ji ndị ebebenegi isi since bụ church. Now they have found out that church enwere ihe ọ na-eme ha. Now they are showing you who they are. The problem is not about do you have ritual or demonology. No. The answer is evil desire, is evil genus. That is the answer. Who say it doesn't work? The question about work or not work. The question is that thing is evil. Can't you? The problem, you are going to debate with people who doesn't have common sense. You are debating with people who doesn't have common sense. They will tell you that evil is working. So they cannot differentiate between good and bad. He doesn't even debate whether that thing is good or not. No. Telling you it's working. That is their argument. Simple. Their argument is it's working. That is what they said. Ndozi ọdịnala is a divine will. How to connect to the creator. If you want to know who made you, if you want to worship in honest, if you want to live a decent life, prosperity, success, no witchcraft can give you success. Stop fooling yourself. All those people you see throwing money on Facebook up and down, tell me how many they last with that money. How long did they go and see their pedigree and their biography? You want to be a millionaire by Kone. Yeah? Kone is not a tradition, not a religion. So anytime somebody tell you I'm going to Dibia to make me ogu or ritual to get money, what does that have to do with the tradition or culture or religion? I want to know. These people, their brain is not working. What does so going to Dibia to make money and the religion? What is the connection? I want to know. It's our own, your own, not my own. That thing is your own. The life is yours. We have Anglican Church. We have Siemens. We have Assembles. We have Zoe Ministry. We have this. We have you see thousands of religions. All of thousands. Only in Christianity. In Islam, we have thousands of them, even though you don't see them. So you have your right to do whatever you want to do. If you want to worship a hooker, it's okay. If you want to worship goat, it's okay. If you want to worship ram, it's okay. It's a free world. Religious right must be respected. The same way you want to be respected, animal right must be respected. We are activists. So as we protect your right to worship, we also protect your right to not to kill animals. Animal protection is under Ndozi Ordinary law. we must protect those ones who cannot be able to protect themselves. The environment must be protected. Environment, human being, animals, any person in this life that cannot protect themselves, we will protect them. That is the foundation of who we are as a human being. Our value system, our principle, our ethic, and our morality. So our religion is founded under this principle. As Ndozi Ordinary. Ndozi Ordinary remains our religion. And this worship will be taught to our people through mind development, because that in cannot give you any ability to reason. Religion only gives ability to reason. Any religion that does not develop ability to reason is not religion and can never ever work. Yes, my brother, animal rights. We must protect them. We must protect the less privileged ones. We must protect them. Africans, 200 million years to come. We have chosen, we have separated from these people. They are rotten, smelling. Separate yourself from them. Check your past story. The answer is no. The same man gara n'ụlọ when he mepụtara hapụ n'ụka bụ ọsọ enweghị oge emepụtara gị now. He did not leave church and grow above church, no. He left church and go back yesterday to stay below the church. One day, count them off you. Count them off you. Once you go out from something, you must go in something above that you left. That's why we say Ndozi Ordinary remains our religion. Simple. We will teach them what common sense is all about. The whole world, we know who we are. We are religious people. We are grown and developed under human ability. We grow ability to reason, not to killing poor animals, destroying the planet. You are talking about crude oil spilling in Niger Delta. Igbo River has been destroyed. Igbo rivers everywhere in the river has been destroyed. The same way our children has been destroyed with the demonology and witchcraft. The same way our rivers, our animals have been destroyed. Even animal in our land is angry. The way we treat them. We have no respect for one thing. That's why they run away from Christianity. Not because they don't like church. No, the church prevents them from doing evil. Church prevents them from doing ihojo. That's why they run away from it. Now you can see them on Facebook showing that in the name of hey, it's our which your own is it? I say always, we will protect anybody's right to do so. But what we will not defend is demoralizing animal or river or earth. No. Anybody who destroy the earth, we will speak against that. Onye ọbụla mere against the planet earth, we speak against it. Now, why I say this is because I want to differentiate. I want you to differentiate yourself. Because if they will carry all of you, put inside Ordinary Igbo, ebe a na-egbu ewu na ọka achụ aja. Don't go there. You got to tell them that you onye Ndozi Ordinary, you onye Ordinary Igbo. Gwa ha na you onye Ndozi Ordinary Igbo. Christ came. Now, use this advantage. When Christ came to Christianity, what did Christ say? Don't let them fool you. They will tell you it's our own. Don't let what did the Christ do to Christianity? Christ come and say, yeah, evil. We must go away from here. Christ told them that we must leave this place. Today, this is man everybody is worshiping in the whole world. If they want to drown themselves in that demonology, let them drown. But don't go with them. don't go, they will be wiped away from the earth. Ọgwụ bụ ọgwụgwụ, end. Your people have sold their hands in ọgwụ, demonology and witchcraft. Their own is end. If you want to end with them, go there. Go there. Go there. It also know where somebody will come and tell you on Facebook, not because he say it. It makes sense. It doesn't make any sense. Somebody comes openly and tell you that you must kill animals for sacrifice. Why not use yourself for sacrifice? Why, if they use you for sacrifice, how will you feel? How will you feel if you were used for sacrifice? It means this man don't have common sense. Somebody on earth. Earth is ruled by ability to reason. You think that ọkụkọ, nwa ọkụkọ na-enwere ihe ọma. Ọkụkọ na-enwere ihe ọma will make you. It's a agwọ ọgwụ enwe ego, nwanne ọ na-eme na ọ na, if you don't know, you don't say it. Look at ihe mmadụ na-akọ. Ọ hapụrụ farm ebe ọ ga-eji ịkọ ugbo. He left farm where he will go and farm. And he said, if you go and kill animal, he will become rich. And this is the person you are arguing with. Eh? You are arguing with somebody who believes that if he kill animal, he will become rich. And you are arguing with him. If he shot somebody's head, he will become rich. And you are arguing with him. Ignore him. Best thing for you, ignore him. Only this generation I see that they are not ready to move forward. Ever since I begin to exist as a human being, only these people I have seen a people who said that they are not ready to move up, that they want to go yesterday. Repress. No light. A place where there is no light. Show me the history you have done at the past that gave you single benefit. Show me one history, your past history you know about, that progresses your movement about life. No, but none. And yet, you want to go there. Eh? You want to go there. Why did you go to school? You go to school to learn. If you want to do anything in life, it must be based on knowledge. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. It doesn't matter religion, it doesn't matter tradition, it doesn't matter culture. It must be based on wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. For you to be the beneficiary of that, that must be what it contains. Not ritualist, not animal sacrifice, not human sacrifice. Before you say animal sacrifice today, you see, in Yoruba land, the human sacrifice. In Igbo land, human sacrifice. Before you call it animal sacrifice. Now, what is that? Don't you see it on Facebook with your two naked eyes? That they are killing women, our children anyhow, for sacrifice. That they are selling babies for sacrifice. Don't you see it? Eh? Or you claim that it's not happening? You pretend that is a lie? In the name of tradition and culture? In the name of what? In the name of what? People who can never ever reject evil in their society. Onye nke anyị na is our brother. Onye nke gọvanọ ga-eju ori osigo onye nke ha. Onye eze ga-eju ori osigo onye nke ha. That is how you know a destroyed generation. Eh? No tribalism, no racism. Once you go inside destiny, your own is ending. You are not a champion. In our local league, you don't play Champions League. Chinese, go to Nigeria. Indians are millionaires in Nigeria. Indians are millionaires. Go to Nigeria, Chinese people are millionaires. Go to Nigeria, Europeans are millionaires. Go to Europe and see Igbo people or African people. How many Africans are millionaires in Europe? How many Africans are millionaires in China? How many Africans are millionaires in India? How many? This is how you know. Local champions. Local champions. A na-agwa ha something uche nke ha aka. Ebe ọ bụ na akụrụ kpom gburu mmadụ. If 100 million people there. A sị na onye bụ nsị ka ijiji na-eso. Onye bụ nsị ka ijiji na-eso. Ebe ọ bụ na akụrụ kpom ebe ahụ ka ị ga-afụ ha. Ebe ọ bụ na akụrụ kpom nsị, ebe mmadụ nwụrụ, ebe a na-adụ isi, ebe a na-adụ ara, ebe ahụ ka ị ga-afụ ha niile. Nweghị ebe a na-eme ezigbo ihe ị ga-afụ ha. Nowhere. Go anywhere you see meaningful something, you cannot see them there. Ebe a na-akọ asịrị, ebe ị ga-afụ ha. Tigbuo ozogbuo. Tigbuo ozogbuo ọsọ, tigbuo ozogbuo, tigbuo ozogbuo. This is only what you will see. You tell them, let us have a decent education or to educate our children properly so that they will build a better future for us. He will tell you, no. Let us have a tradition of moral behavior. No. Religion of discipline, ethic. No. Culture of moral value. No. But if you tell them, let's go and fight Nigeria that have 100 million guns and we have 5, they will tell you yes. Yes. They will say yes. Let's go. Common sense is not common. We have made a choice. We have made a choice, developed a new Igbo idea. The Igbo heritage based on inheritance we inherited. Then we, based on this, we lay a foundation of moving forward. And what will carry us, the sheep that will carry us in that new life is Ndozi Ordinary Igbo. Not ordinary. Not ordinary. Not ordinary. Before you come and say, I am stopping you from killing your goat. Or from doing your demonology or your witchcraft. Do your witchcraft. My hand is not there. Ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. Anyị wawo ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. No witchcraft. No demonology. No animal sacrifice. No human sacrifice. No baby trafficking. No drug trafficking. No money laundering. No organ trafficking. No racism. No tribalism. No injustice. No nepotism. No. No evil desire. No, 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 no. All these things is the foundation we have learned to follow. We have laid down this foundation to follow. This is Ndozi Ordinary for you. If you know that you are corrupt, don't come. If you know that you are a robber, I'm a robber, don't come. If you know that you are a deceiver, don't come. If you know that you have hate, don't come. If you have evil desire, please stay away from here. If you have evil passion, please stay away from here. Witchcraft, stay away. Demonology, stay away. Blood money ritual, ndị na-ajọ ọgwụ ego, stay away from here. I don't care if we work or not. Achọghị m ịma ma ọ na-arụ ọrụ ma ọ naghị arụ ọrụ. Don't near us. Baby trafficking, go. Organ trafficking, go. Money laundering, go. Don't near us. We don't care about all those things. Whether they are working or not working, let them work for you. We don't need it. Any blood money, me, I don't need. Ndozi Ordinary, I don't need your blood money. Carry your blood money. We are divine will. Our foundation of existence is divine. We don't need your blood money. We don't need your drug money. Carry it and whatever you want to do with it, do. I ain't need it here. We don't need it. You got to go. If you are a racist or a tribalist, go. Go. Found your own nation of tribalists. Stay there. We have one nation. We have one nation based on harmony. No racism, no tribalism. No injustice, no prejudice. That is the nation we have agreed to live in. So whatever you want to do, you have the right to do so. We have laid the foundation of our path. We have chosen our path, and our path is pure. We have chosen our path, and our path is pure. This is the path we are going to follow. So if you want to come here, you know it. Our prayer is simple. Obedience. Obedience to that His Majesty, the creator of heaven and earth, Amadioha itself. We have made pledge to heal the world for those who want to be healed. Akandi na akebe. Akan River Ascension. Progress. Enlightenment. But this thing can only be possible in the new house. This can only be possible in the new house. You can't do it in the old house. Not possible. In that ordinary, you can't do it there. Because you will be conflicted by the evil ones. So, let ewere nke kekunsi ekwe. Ewere nke chukwu nye chukwu, ewere nke Caesar nye Caesar. You got to go. So, anyị were nke Amadioha, anyị Amadioha. Ha were nke ebe ọ bụ na what they chose to do is that. Nsogbu adịghị. Let them have it. Whatever you want in life, you got to go. Ihe ọ bụla ị chọrọ n'ụwa ka ị ga-enwe. Whatever you want, you will have. We have chosen to move forward. They have chosen to move backwards. Let them be. Anya agbago ha si ha na animal sacrifice is not good. But if you want to go and fight with them, you have a problem because you gbara ọtọ na asa ahụ onye ara bachiri akwa gị ịgbara ọtọ chụba ya ọ ga-ebe onye ara. You got to go. So ọ bụrụ na ha si na their foundation of animal sacrifice ọ ihe nna ha na-eme, let them do it. Ha mebe so wade. But anyị nwasị no. Anyị nwasị na ya anaghị eme otu ahụ na ọ dịghị anyị mma. Ọ dịghị anyị mma. So one man's food is another man's poison. So for us, it's not good. Maybe for them, it's good for them. On a row, on a walk, or they say on them. So for them, for anyone, we have mind. We have human mind. We have sympathy. We have empathy. We feel them. We put ourselves in the shoe of those animals. You got to go. We just reason, think about them. We think about them. You got to go. So life. It's not about Igbo. Life is not about Hausa, nor Yoruba. Somebody might be in their village and create nonsense. Ndị Igbo si na ihe ọjọọ gba afọ ọghọọ omenala. Ndị Igbo si na ihe ọjọọ gba afọ ọghọọ omenala. There is no how life will create you. And your life will tell you go and kill what I have created for you to worship me. It makes no sense. Or make no sense. How life will have access to every. How can life will kill? Human being, all these things you call about religion, that is what we created to develop the mind. That is not God you're worshiping. You want to make yourself immortal. It's about yourself, not God. God is already immortal. God is already pure. God is already divine. It's about you being divine, not God. So people just confusing themselves with their crazy mindset. The issue here is for you being divine. Make yourself holy. How do you make yourself pure? That is the war here. The fight here is how are you going to combine this disintegrated force in you? How are you going to mold? How? That is the issue. Not about one God in heaven or one God in hell or one God underground. No. Misunderstanding egbuone mad. Misunderstanding egbuone mad. You got to go. You want to go and worship who? Ndozi ordinary foundation of our belief and religion is to make you a human being, a perfect man. The mission is to make you a perfect man, not to go and worship one man or see one man. No. No. We follow Amadioha because as no onyeji gugewu neso. You got to go. We follow Amadioha because you must aspire to be like somebody because his wisdom already. So we want to be like him as a wise man. That's why we talk about him, not because we want to no. You see? So the difference is clear. Is if you want to go to Ndozi Ordinary, you remember that our mission is to make you a higher man. That is the mission. To make you a higher man, not for you to go and worship somebody. No. I am here to go and worship anybody. No. We will help you, guide you spiritually. It's a spiritual guide. You gotta go. We are talking about spiritual guide. Not about for you to go and worship anybody. Not about for you to go and kill any animal or any goat or any sacrifice in the river. Right? No. No river sacrifice. No animal sacrifice. No. We will go and clean the land. Make it good. The only way the land will bless you is to clean the land and make the land clean. You gotta go. If you clean the land, land will bless you. If you dirty the land, you will live inside dirty. You will live inside dirtiness. If you don't have light in your house, your room is inside you, is inside your room. If you don't have light in your room, you don't see road. If you don't have light in your room, you don't see road. Any religion that is not based to put inner light is not religion, it's fake. Any religion that is not about enlightenment is fake. If not about inner builder, is fake. Any religion that is not about inner building, to build the inner self, is fake and can never ever stand the test of the day. You go to Christianity also. You see it. See the example. You will go that place you are going. You will go again, come back. Yes, you will go and come back, because if you go there, what are you going to do? Every day you come out, I watch people. If you can do it, maybe your children will not do it. Ndozi ordinary have come to reveal ihe kpuchiri. If you don't agree to do it, your children, your unborn children will do it. Those one who fail to follow us in this generation, their children will follow us in the next generation. I know. Their children will follow us. All those one who believe that killing fowl and goat, we take them to I don't know where. We give them money. Once you want money, you create jobs. If you want money, you create job. Yes, if you want money, you create job. That's all. The only way to have money is through job, through commerce. Money come through commerce. Nowhere else. Money come through buying and selling. Unity come through union. Union means unity. So that trade, you become a union. It's called trade union. That's all. Every other thing is fake and fantasy. Kedu ihe mere go onye Igbo? Okwukwe, agreement. Ihe mere go onye Igbo agreement. If you remove agreement, enwere onye Igbo Igbo. That's why you hate each other. That's why people will come and say you will love themselves. Go to your village and see your neighbor and salute your neighbor in truth and honesty. Go and see your neighbor and salute your neighbor in truth and honesty. If you remove agreement, value system, there is nothing that will bind you together. If the heart of the purity will not bind you, nothing will bind you. If the pure heart will not bind you, the pure heart of Amadioha will not bind you, nothing will bind you on this earth. As Igbo person, nothing. If ezi omume ezunori agbana amoge ifunanya will not bind you, as Igbo people, nothing will ever bind you, because you have been bound to be destroyed. Yes. If pure heart, ezi omume, cannot bind you. Ezunori cannot bind you. Agbana amoga cannot bind you. Ifunanya cannot bind you. What will bind you? Lying to yourself. You are lying to yourself, deceiving yourself, defrauding yourselves. Everybody na ego. Who do you want to defraud? Your brother. You want to do ritual. Who do you want to kill? Your brother. Everything you want to kill, the same your brother. You are a criminal. Your brother will steal. You are a kidnapper. You cannot go to North to kidnap. No. You cannot go to Abuja to kidnap. No. You cannot go to Lagos to kidnap. No. The same your brother. You claim to be your brother. You will kidnap. Ojori. The same Onyi Gezuori. The same your brother. Ritualist. The same your brother. And now you say is your brother. How is he or she your brother if you cannot? Our children now cannot even choose the boyfriend they like because they don't even know the one they will go with. They will not come back. Our female 17, 18 years cannot be proud now and say, "How look at this fine boy, I love him." They can't. Ụjọ na-atụ ya. Ọmaha nke oge eme oji ọ gaghịzi apata. No. Mpa mmadụ na-atụkwụzi nwa ya ụjọ. Ọmaha nke ụbọchị nwa ya ga-eme ọbata. Ọ na-arahụ ụra. Mpa mmadụ na-arahụ ụra n'ala Igbo, ọ na-eji ofu anya alahụ ụra. Ọmaha mbọchị nwa ya ga-abịa iberi ya isi oge ji agwọrọ ọgwụ ego. Mma mmadụ na-arahụ ụra n'ala Igbo, ọ na-ekpuchi anya ofu anya na-echekwa makwa nwa ya were gwọrọ ọgwụ ego. This is the generation you want. Yes, this is what you want. It's not ihe chọrọ na. Hey, Christianity bụ evil. Or Christianity na-eme that thing. Or Christianity si gị were ndị na nna gị gwọrọ ọgwụ ego. Or Christianity si gị were ụmụ nwaanyị wee jee gwọrọ ọgwụ ego. Or Christianity si gị jee gbawa akwụna akwụna, nwoke na-agba akwụna. Ihe a na-akpọ ya hụ basics of value. The value system. Until you have what I said, Amigwe, there is nothing like unity. Because if unanya bụ unity, which is Amigwe, is Igbo kwenu ya. Igbo kwenu ya. Kedu ihe Igbo kwere na ya? So that's why we say, if you don't understand this thing, we understand it. So anyị nwa na onwe anyị bụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala have chosen Igbo heritage because you don't understand what is heritage. We understand and we will not throw away our heritage because of you. No. Our heritage is built on harmony. So anyị bụ Igbo heritage based on harmony because we want to live in peace. And if you say we cannot live in peace with you, then we will go anywhere in the bush and buy land and live because we want to live in peace. Anyị chọrọ ibi n'udo. Anyị achọghị ndị ori, anyị achọghị ndị ọgwụ ego, anyị achọghị ndị ogbu ara ọbara. Mba, we want to live in peace. Bikonu, it's a pledge. We want to live in peace. We want development. We want our children to have jobs. So, but this is not what you choose. Onye believe ya live and let live. If you say that you don't want harmony, so what the hell? Go. Then we will go inside Igbo land. In the bush, n'ime oke ọhịa, there, and establish our harmony. So that we will be free from ndị ọgwụ ego, the ritualist. Be free from ndị na-achụ aja, demonology, rituals. Ka ihe na-akpọ ya, racism. Mba ebe ahụ anyị agaghị enwe racism. Ebe ahụ anyị agaghị enwe tribalism. No prejudice, no injustice. We live in harmony. Like ndị ama Jehova kwuru na paradise. You got to go. Na-amụ igwe ka anyị ga-ebi. Understand this thing. They are simple. Life is just a small place. Life is a small place. So ụmụ ibe dịka isi wee na-ekwu, it's common sense. People go to VGC to live because they believe that where they are living is very dangerous for their own survival. Ago lion move far forest because he believe that where they are living they are threatened by human being. Elephant move far, so everybody move and go where they are secured to live. Ndị ndozi ọdịnala is a divine will of Amadioha. But we want a place. Amadioha says that we must live a place where it's secured from ndị ogbu ara ọbara. Because I need harmony. Then we have to go to live where they cannot find us if they look for us. And they are actually a religion of nkasasisi. Anything obuna, if you want to develop our child, because we don't want the contamination from these people to our child. Our children must know that education is of value. Our children must know that religion is of ethic. Religion is of mind development. We don't want them to somebody to come and tell them, you this one. No. We must be isolated ourselves. Ndị nna nna anyị ha did it, they live in monastery. Ndị nna nna anyị ha bụ na monastery ka ha na-ebi ndị ma ihe. Ịghọtago? So ọka ga obi, if you want this noble journey, the only people that will make it in the next generation as Igbo bụ ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. The only generation that will make it to the next generation bụ ndozi ọdịnala. Mark kwa ya mark ya. Because you believe that life is ihe onye chọrọ ka ọ na-eme. Ntụwa adịghị. Ihe ọ bụla ị chọrọ ka ị ga-eme, mana mara amara na ihe ọ bụla onye chọrọ n'ụwa ka ọ ga-afụkwa. N'ọkwa mkpụrụ ị kụrụ ka ị ga-aghọ. Mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ ga-aghọrọ. So mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ mkpụrụ of progress. Mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ mkpụrụ of success. Mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ mkpụrụ of peace. Mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ mkpụrụ of unity. Mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ mkpụrụ of harmony. Divine will ọ mkpụrụ anyị kụrụ. So anyị ga-amụ ihe ọma. Ịghọtago? O nwere egwu a na-agụba, duru anyị na-aga njọ ka o duru anyị na-aga. Anyị bụ osisi na-amị mkpụrụ ọma, duru anyị na-aga. Anyị bụ osisi. Ọ sị gị chere mma n'iru, ome mma chere mma n'iru. Chere njọ n'iru, ome njọ chere njọ n'iru. Anyị bụ osisi na-amị mkpụrụ. Anyị nwa bụ osisi na-amị mkpụrụ ọma. Anyị bụ ihe ọ sọrọ mmadụ ya kwuo. Fact speak for itself. Fact. Ọ bụrụ na ya abịago ana before mee contrary na ihe anyị kwuru, nwanne ya nwee mgbe anyị si ibe anya ya ego. We never asked you to give us anything. Anyị kwuru na ndị agha bụ ndị nke anyị, ihe a ga-eri agaghị akọ ha, ihe a ga-arụ agaghị akọ ha. We are builders. Ihe anyị bịara ịrụ, we come to build. Nwere ihe anyị ji ga-eme onye nkịtị na-enweghị ihe onwe. What are we going to take from you? What are we going to take from you? Chere anyị bụ ndị na-aya ego na Facebook. I chọrọ ka Facebook nye anyị ego. For what? Facebook cannot give you wisdom. They can pay you money, but they cannot give you wisdom. We want wisdom, knowledge and understanding. That is what we seek. That is the foundation of ndozi ọdịnala. The foundation of ndozi ọdịnala is knowledge, wisdom and understanding. So our target is not Facebook to give us money. No, we target the best mind in earth. Our target is to get the best mind on earth so that we can go and build. Not to come and hey, chia now. Ihe anyị na-echiara bụ ka o get to the person anyị chọrọ ka o get. Ọrụ maka ndị na-achọghị ịpụ ndụ. Ọrụ maka ndị na-achọghị ịpụ ndụ. Ihe anyị chọrọ bụ for those people that knows once they hear, whenever the student is ready, the master appear. Once ọ sandro na ear ya pia, ọ gasị yes, this is it. Ọhụ ndị nkịtị ga-eme ọpụta ka ihe this guy na-akọ ihe asef, biko nna wepụ this guy ebe a. Nke ahụ ndị nkịtị ka a na-akpọ ya. Ịghọtago, ha mara ihe ha chọrọ, ndị ọkụ ha nyụrụ anyụ. O nwere egwu ndị Assemblies of God na-agụ mgbe ahụ. Teta teta, ndị ọkụ ha nyụrụ anyụ, teta ka ịzọpụta gị o. Teta teta, ndị umengwụ dara mba o, teta ka ịzọpụta gị o. Nwanne anyị nwa, every 500 years it happens like this. You were there and you hear in the Bible then say Moses was born. You hear in the Bible then say Christ was born. They hear in the Bible say Muhammad was born. You never know who they are, you never know what they did. But in your generation, you witness something like that. You don't even, because your light is off. You will see it. You will, the history will say it, and when history say it, you can say, well, or here, government can never ever remove or add in your life. They can't. Until you become capable of establishing an institution. You don't have anyone. You don't have any. Yeah, you graduate, then you rule society. That's why you cry. Bad government, bad leadership. Why China have bad leadership? Why Europeans have bad leadership? Why Americans are here back about leadership? Because ugogbuzuo ọchake. Ugogbuzuo ọchake. Ibuzubeghị na-achị chake. Who do you want to be your governor? Who? Look at yours. Just look at your kangaroos. Look at yourself, your inner geckos. Then you will know that this government is one of you. The government is one of you. So what do you want them to? You want road? Foreigners will come and build the road. You want airport? Foreigners. You anything over nature here no foreigners area, and you still. What are you looking for? Human being, you have to build first. So create people who will build that. Create people who will build the infrastructure in your land. Your government will go and pay foreigners to come and build your land, and you are there. What are you doing? You are busy chasing shadow. Okay? Let me hear anybody that nonsense here. So come on, get out from here. Government gave Europe 600 billion for training, and you are there. Facebook na akogeri. Comedy for her. Only believe ka ejere. Onye iberibe ka eji ere ọgwụ iberibe ka ụnda ebe ọ bụla akpụrụ iberibe ebe ị ga-afụ 11 billion for metro. You graduate engineer, nke ọ bụla efere engineer n'afa ya, PhD, doctor degree, doctor engineer, na Western medical science, doctor engineer, na Western this, Western that. Agwa gị na mara ihe mba. Human being, for you to develop, first of all, is discipline. Discipline. No discipline, and you want to touch energy. You might have energy. You might have energy. You want to touch energy with that. Onye ṅụrụ mmanya n'anya moto, ịma ihe na-eme. Onye ṅụrụ mmanya buru moto, what happened? Onye ṅụrụ mmanya buru moto. Human being is energy. Everything on earth is energy. And if you are drunk, what will happen to you? Everybody is crying. Government egbu anyị. We don't have light. Human being na-arụ light or government. Government will mad. A country or an institution serving by the people. So if you don't have light, that means you are not standard. You are not standard. If you don't have a good president, you are not standard. That's why you don't have good president, because he's one of you. Governor is one of you. Senators are one of you. House of Rep are one of you. So if they are corrupt, that means you are corrupt. There is no how governor will be corrupt. House of Rep will be corrupt. Senator will be corrupt. Police will be corrupt. Army will be corrupt. That means something is wrong somewhere. There is no how everybody will be corrupt. That means your system doesn't have anything to develop the mind. It doesn't have. You have your children are criminals. The police are corrupt. Army are corrupt. The pastors are corrupt. The priests are corrupt. The government are corrupt. Who is not corrupt? That shows you don't have a system. You don't have systematic instruction. You say is Christianity is doing you. This one is doing you. But when the governor come, they will say, Nafa Jesus, amen. So, the same governor na-achị na the same thing. If you leave Christianity, have your governors left Christianity? Have your governors left Christianity? The answer is no. So it doesn't matter whether you left or not. Who is important is those people in the seat of power. How do they make it in the seat of power? How do they get there? Kedu ụzọ kpụrụ ha? What molded their mind? What is their biography? What is their pedigree? How do they get there? And I get the power and the need of early child development, the system of the mind. That is what is wrong with your people, not religion, not anything. Religion is not your problem. In any system of education, you don't have. Mind is a computer. Mind is nothing but a computer. And you must have a system, software that run inside this computer. If not, you are on your own. That's why I said, ndozi ọdịnala. The Igbo heritage we are talking about have a foundation and have a religion and have a tradition and culture. Simple. Whether is your own problem, we don't care. We are just saying this for those people who are ready to enter the ship of divine will to hear it. Not everybody. We are screening. If you come here, for you to enter here, you must pass that every day. If you must pass the test, no racism, no tribalism, no prejudice, no injustice, no nepotism, no evil desire, no evil passion, no witchcraft of any kind. I don't care no demonology. I don't care I don't care. Agaghị m ebiri with you in the night anụmenyo ụzọ mmegharị ya kpee asị m onye mba achọrọ m ngebe ụzọ oge n'abalị ana m arahụ ụra ịghọtago so onwe ihe gara na ama m na ụmụ anụmanụ gafe achọghị m any possess mind, evil mind, no. Achọghị m any evil possess desire, no. I don't want to live with, I can never live with you. You know why? I can't. I cannot live with you. Somebody AK-47 na pa nekrete if na. Ina choje. Ibo hebe military park no na police barrack. Why are you doing the street with the guns? One ga na police barrack. If you love military way, go and become army. Ichoro igbo egbe ga bụrụ army. Ichi igbo egbe ga bụrụ police. I nwere license bụrụ egbe na pa na street. Civilian don't have to carry gun to go inside the street and that nonsense. I cannot live like that, man. I chọ him. You got to go. Oh no, Zimbabwe ruo anyị. Anyị eje na Zimbabwe goro anyị ruo Igbo, gbaa Igbo land. Baa ya ala Igbo. You got to go. Ala nsọ. It's up to you. Israel gara na Middle East. Goro anyị Israel. Today unu na-aga their place eme pilgrimage. Unu amara Israel goro anyị na Palestine. Unu na-aga pilgrimage there. So whatever we tell you, as long as you kwa onye ahịa iwe ahịa a na-azụ ga-azụ ịghọrọ ahịa ebe ọbụla ikuku bujere ka ga-ebuete a sị gị na Israel bụ Holy Land onye ọfụ ya agbara jebe dia ndị Muslim asị ha na ọ bụ na Saudi Arabia agbara jebe Saudi Arabia ndị France asị unu na Disneyland onye ọbụla agbara jebe Disney ndị America asị unu na onye nọkọta ọkọ ofu akụkọ ndị mmadụ eso ya so nsogbu adịghị, don't worry, anyị ma ihe anyị ga-akọrọ unu ka unu bịa mbe ya nye anyị ego tourism unu ịghọtago. So now worry na ya bụ ndozi ọdịnala Igbo the best ever did it. Amadioha na onwe ya ihe anyị bụ ịghọtago na amadi ihe anyị bụ anyị ga-egosi unu ihe wisdom. You don't know what is wisdom. You never know what is wisdom until we show you one. We will show you what wisdom look like because you don't know what it is. We have tell you Igbo heritage, our identity. You got with the foundation, the structure of the foundation ndozi ọdịnala, which is ka anyị zụọ our mind, ka anyị zụọ our mind. So onye ọbụla na-abịa hie azụsịa ya ọzụọ ndị ọzọ. Asị na nna mụọ nwa amụta ibe ya. N'ime ụwa ọkụ adịrọ ya, ọkụ anaghị enwe ebe a. Ihe ahụ ị na-afụ anya gị bụ illusion. Close your eyes and see that is an illusion. Shut it down for 1 second. You know it's illusion. Onwe ebe ime ị na-ejezi. Kpuchigodo anya gị, onwe ebe ime ị na-ejezi. That means where are you coming from? Where are you going? Ka ebe isi ebe ka ebe ị na-eje. Close your eyes and see it that you are in the middle of nowhere. Ịma dị ebe ị nọ, ikpuchi anya gị maazị n'ebe ị nọ. Ole esi m ị nọ na ya adịghị mgbe ahụ. Bagodi moto, kpuchie anya gị, ekechie gị anya na moto, buru gị gbaa ihe dịka 1 hour. Ịgba ha ebe ị nọ. Odoga ya na anya gị na-edeceive gị. Ifu gị. Anya gị na-edeceive gị. Close your eyes, enter moto. And mami nwebe a na-eje. Anya gị gwuru gị wayo. O mere gị pọpị na anya gị mere gị pọpị. O gwuru gị wayo na anya gị gwuru gị wayo. O mere gị pọpị, anya gị mere gị pọpị. Anya gị mere gị pọpị. ọ n'ime mmụọ ka ọ na-eme. Nwata mmụọ mara onwe ya egbu ya, n'ime mmụọ ka ọ na-eme. Ka ị bịa na ndozi ọdịnala ya akụpuo mmụọ gị, ya akụpuo ya. Anyị kụpuo ya ịbanye line energy frequency vibration you fuse, ịbanye ụgbọ eburu gị. Buru anyị na-aga njọkọ, duru anyị na-aga o, duru anyị na-aga njọkọ, duru anyị na-aga. Anyị bụ osisi na-amị mkpụrụ. Ịghọta ihe a na-akọ na iwe onye nkịtị ogbediri ka iwe mago mmọnwụ taghachi ebe a pụọ ọsịsọ. Ọwụ na ịbata ha ndozi ọdịnala ịmabeghị mmọnwụ. Ịbata gị ndozi ọdịnala nwanne ịmabeghị mmọnwwụ. Ihe abụrụ spirituality. No, spirituality is under religion. Ga-akwụkwa ndị nkịtị spirituality na-achị ha ọchị, na-achị ha ọchị. Do you know what is separation in alchemy? Do you know what is separation in alchemy? That is spirituality. It's under religion. You want that? Spirituality can African na more religion. Everybody want to force knowledge. And I have force wisdom. You cannot force wisdom. As na ugobuzuo chake, you can force knowledge. You gaghị agụta ya n'akwụkwọ. You got to go. You gaghị agụta ya n'akwụkwọ. Whenever the student is ready, the master appear. Master will appear to you, and you will know. Master ga appear to you, gbara ga ama. Gịnị ya sign a contract. Onye ga ọrụ ị ga-arụ. Ọkwa ihe ndị Bible gwara ụnụ about Moses. Abraham, God appeared to Abraham. Muhammad, God appeared to Muhammad. Ka ihe ọ na-akpọ ya. Nke a nwa atụ yara na mmiri nke azụ. Nke Jonah, God appeared to Jonah. Ihe niile a ụcha radio. Radio means frequency. You got to go. Enwere ndị amụma ụgha. God also appeared to them. But which kind God appeared to them? That is it. And don't go ndị ga-esokwe ya maka na kama nwaanyị adị na n'ụwa ọ ga-enwe ndị na-anwụrụ ya. Otu nwaanyị adị na n'ụwa ọ ga-enwerịrị ndị na-anwụrụ nwaanyị ahụ. O nweghị ihe mmadụ kọrọ n'ụwa aghara inwe na-eso ya. Ọ ga-enwerịrị. And onye ọbụla bụ nsị na-esi isi onye ka ijiji na-esokarị ya. Onye na-akọ ha estu ịchụrụ asị gara Facebook na-achọ onye kọrọ tu now. Onye ahụ because ebe a na-achị ọchị. Ịghọtaga ebe a na-achị ọchị, ebe a na-akọ tu ga-afụ too much people. Onye mere ndị ụka mmadụ ji ejuru ụlọ ụka because ha bụ nsị. Ọ nsị nke ụka bụ nsị ka a na-eme ebe a. Nsị ka ha butere a na-akpọ ya ụka. Ụka bụ ihe gbara ụka, ofe gbara ụka. Ịmaghị ụka bụ ofe gbara ụka, ịka ụka ofe gbara ụka. Onye mere ọ maka ofe ahụ na-esi isi. Onye mere ndị mmadụ juru eju that place. Ndị nkịtị juru ebe ahụ na abịara aka 1 million people n'ụlọ ụka, 1 million problem. Oyi ha bụ bịa 1 million problem ka ha bụ bịa. Onye ọbụla bịara n'ụlọ ụka bụ nsogbu bịa. Ọ bịara ka ihe Chukwu ga-emere ya. Ọ bịara ihe ọ ga-emere Chukwu. Nene ka anyị si ekwu na anyị ga-eme ihe a mee n'afọ Amadioha. Amadioha ekwebe oyoyo. Gọtago mụba ọṅụ na ọma ndị dị ka anyị. Ndị nna nna anyị ha nwụrụ anwụ mụba ọṅụ na ama ndị dị ka anyị. Na ihe anyị na-ekwu ihe anyị ga-emere nna nna anyị ha nwụrụ anwụ. Ihe a na anyị ga-ekwu na anyị ga-eme dia ka ihu na-akpọ ya. That their history. Our pledge is that when we are done, everything about Igbo will become in the world market. Everything about Igbo will be in the world market and sell. Our movie will be #1 in the world stage. Our music will be otu American music is a sell. Our music will sell. Make a sense. No meaning. Our tradition and culture will be in this world stage market. People will copy it. Oh, yani kwere nkwa to our own ancestors that we will do to them. We promise to the Creator that we bring the kingdom here on earth, divinity, divine will, we bring here on earth. Kedu ihe kwere nkwa? God give me the daily bread. God give us this our daily bread. Ina onye ayiyo. Onye ayiyo. Give us these days our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. If okwu maazị okwu okenye ka ọ na-adị. Onye ayiyo, onye ọzụzụ atụrụ ka na anya nni. Yes na, we promise to give. We help nature, defend the animals, defend the water, and build and make that our land. People will come here to visit the land and pay their dues. People bring that tourist money. Tourism ọsọrọ anyị nsọ. Ọwụ na-abịa hụ na be anyị tourism. If they come to our land and spend their money, or sing in the from Japan, n'ala Igbo na ya wee Japan bịa na-agagharị n'ime ọhịa n'ala Igbo na-achọgharị ebe ọ ya atụnyere ha ego ọwụ ihe ọjọọ ọwụ ihe ọjọọ na onye Hong Kong otu unu si eje Thailand otu unu si eje si Vietnam eje tourism ọ bụ ihe ọjọọ na ha bịa n'ala anyị na-eme the same thing to go and contribute to that money in our economy n'Igbo land? Ọ na-abụ ihe ọjọọ ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ nwanne. So we must work towards that. Anyị abịara ịyọ anybody anything. We are not going to beg anybody anything. Give you these days. Aka ojiri gị ụkwụ na aka ojiri gị give you these days your daily bread. Ịta bread n'ụtụ ịta na efi ịta n'abalị. Anyị yọ anyị yọ Ajimustibi gracia Homini Padre Dios pro universis benevivitius qui vivite treginas in secula seculorum. Ịnụrụ ihe o kwuru? Ihe ọzọ ị ga nụ amen Dominum vobiscru. Ịnụrụ ihe o kwuru? Etutu ịma ihe ọ bụ? Ịma ihe bụ etutu a? Ịma ihe bụ nomine Padre Filius Spiritus Sanctus? Ị ga-asị ọ na-afa nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ, mana ị mara ihe ọ bụla. Ịma ihe bụ na-afa nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ ịmakwana. Laudate Dominus Oriaterum Oriatate Matae Supeta Nigeri Domina Neteritu Dominus Amvoctum Necterum. Ịma ihe ọ bụ? Ewere chọọ hypnotization nọ hypnosis wee jide ndị mmadụ n'ọrụ a na-hypnotize ndị mmadụ a na-hypnotize ndị mmadụ in nomine Padre Filius Spiritus Sanctus amen. Agimuti gracia Homine Padre Dios qui vivite treginas in secula seculorum amen. Nwanne ọ bụrụ hypnosis bụ ya ihe ọ bụrụ hypnosis. Oremus nwanne ọ bụrụ hypnosis. Ụmụ ndị nkịtị na-aga oghere. We say we give you right. We protect your right and defend your right to do so because you chose. But na ihe na-emekwa but no problem. Oh, because na anyị nyere right na I like mba. We don't like it, but it's your right to do so. Laudate Dominus. Ndị nkịtị na-eje ụka ejegasị ahụ zụọ nwa mba ndị ihe ụnụ mụrụ anyị na steeti anyị na-ebere ndị mmadụ isi ezu ori agba ma ebugharị ebe ọ ihe ụnụ mụrụ. That should be your priority. That should be your priority. Chukwu ga-azụ nwa ọkwa Chukwu azụgo nwa nwanna m. Chukwu ga-azụ nwa ọkwa Chukwu azụgo. Chukwu azụgo ya nene na Chukwu azụgo. Chukwu na-azụ nwa ọkwa ọzụgo ya lee ya ebe ahụ. Ndị mmadụ agbasịa n'ọsọ na village ha. Ndị mmadụ agbasịa nwanne oyibo ka a sụrụ n'ihe ahụ. Nwanne oyibo onye jere ịgwọ ọgwụ oke ite o ji enweta ego kedu ihe ọhụ Igbo desire. Onye jere ịgwọ odeshi ka o wee jee tọrọ gbaa egbe ka a gbaa ya egbe ọ ghara ịpụ ya ahụ ọhụ Igbo desire. Rebellion ọhụ Igbo desire. Terrorism ọhụ Igbo desire. Akwa oyibo ka asụ. So every terrorist na-agwọ ọgwụ ka o wee chere onwe ya. Every rebellion ka m gwa gị this thing ka ịnụ ya anụ na-agwọ ọgwụ ka o wee chere onwe ya. Ịghọtago? Onye ọbụla na-ezu ori na-agwọ ọgwụ ka o wee chere onwe ya. Ịgwọ ọgwụ can only happen through witchcraft or demonology. Enweghịzi ụzọ ọzọ esi agwọ ọgwụ. Ọgwụ means witchcraft or demonology. There is no other way. That is only way. Ịghọtago? The only way esi agwọ ọgwụ is demonology or witchcraft. No other way. That's it. That is scientific proof. Maybe you don't know. So if you want to know what is evil desire, that is evil desire. because ihe bujere gị that place at the first stage, that is it. Ihe bujere gị ebe ahụ, ihe bujere gị there at the first place, ọ ihe a na-ekwu maka ya. Ka ihe bujere gị that place, all that desire bujere gị there ka a na-ekwu okwu ya. Ịghọtago? So nwanne ma m ghọtara ya ọfụma. So that's it. So ụmụ ibe, anyị ga-ebuchi ya taa moto anyị, ụgbọ anyị ebe anyị si wee pụkwa, ka anyị nwee ike ịhapụ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Anyị agbagonu mbụ na anyị nwere ike ịgba, ọ ka esi eme ya n'ụwa, ka esi eme ya n'eluigwe. Anyị anaghịzi echighị azụ. So ụmụ ibe, dịka anyị si wee kwuo, ọ sị na ka aka ha nwaanyị ka ọ na-atụkwasị di ya. Anyị gbawu ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, we have make our choice to live divine. You got to go to live divine. Anyị asịghị gị si America bataba, anyị asịghị gị si Abuja nataba, anyị asịghị gị si Lagos nataba. You got to go. Anyị chọrọ ime ebe ọ bụ na anyị nọ, anyị awụrụ gidigba, anyị awụrụ ndị na-achị. Ịghọtago? Ebe ọ bụla anyị nọ ka anyị nwee ọnụ okwu. Ịghọtago? That our value system speak for us. But na ala Igbo anyị ga-enwezi our own, so that nsi America anaba m na our own ama Igbo, ebe anyị nwere ebe nke anyị na ala nsọ anyị. Ana m na ala nsọ, agaghị m na-agba ọsọ na Lagos ọsọ ala ya, anakwa m na ala Igbo ana m agba ọsọ nke ebuo. Nna agba ọsọ Boko Haram na ugwu Awụsa, nnakwu ala Igbo agba m ọsọ ndị gịnị. Kekwenu mgbe ị ga-ezu ike, izughị ike na ala Igbo, izughị na Lagos, izughị na Abuja, izughị na obodo oyibo. Ịnwụkwu anwụọ na ịmara na ala Igbo na ịnwụọ nye gị na ya dị ụnụ, so izughị ike na ndokwa. And ịnwụkwa ihe na-egbe m iwe ebe ndị a bụ na ịnwụ ha na-ajụwa na ba na ndokwa ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, na ba na ndokwa dararala, na ba na ndokwa ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, na ba na ndokwa. Ị na-ajụ onye enyi n'ime ya dị ya, ọ nara na ndokwa? Onye enyi n'ime ya dị ọ nara na ndokwa? Yeah? Everyday ka a na-akpọ oriri ebe ahụ, ọ na ndokwa? Inye mmadụ ebe a, igwu ọsọ kapiti ebe a, ịgbapuo mmiri ebe a n'ofu ebe ahụ. N'ime ya adụ na enwere ike ndị eniri ebe ahụ rụchara 50. Eniri the whole generation. Ọwụ na ndị nna nna anyị ha na-eni mmadụ n'ime ya adị ha, anyị agaghị na awụ foundation iji iwe foundation ị na-ewupụta ọkpụkpụ ndị mmadụ. Ọwụ na anyị egwupụta ha ọkpụkpụ ndị mmadụ na wa compound, that means nna nna anyị ha n'ihe na compound. Ọwụ na anyị egwupụta ọkpụkpụ n'ime ya adị anyị mgbe anyị na wa foundation, that means nna nna anyị ha anaghị eni mmadụ na ya adị. Kịta na anyị ewere go ozu n'echikọ ya adị anyị niile, ka ọ bụ ọnụ anyị enweghị ike inwenwu cemetery. Ka ihe anyị dị ndụ mee, ihe ọ bụla nna nna anyị ha na-edesahara anyị, we cannot do it. So anyị amara ihe a na-akpọ ka ihe na-akpọ that place ndokwa. O nwere obodo a na-akpọ ndokwa, misi ndokwa, ọ dịkwa na agbọ ndokwa. Obodo ọ bụla ịfụrụ ndokwa ọ ini ozu, obodo bụ ndokwa bụ ini ozu. Na ba na ndokwa ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, na ba na ndokwa. So ndị Igbo nweburu ya because ịnụhụ cemetery, that's why you cannot create ndokwa ebe a na-edebe ozu, mba. Because ịnụhụ ịmaghị ihe na-akpọ cemetery n'Igbo, ndokwa ka a na-akpọ ya. Ka m gwazie gị taa, ndokwa. Na ba na ndokwa ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, na ba na ndokwa, ọ ndokwa ka a na-akpọ ya. Ị nweghị ike create nwe ebe a na-eni ozu n'ime ya adị. Shameless generation, ndị ihere na-anaghị eme, agbụrụ ihere anaghị eme, agbụrụ ihere anaghị eme. Ofe egusi enyere gị ka na-eri, ofe onugbu enyere gị ka na-eri, ofe ihe niile enyere gị, no single one adịrị. Anyị na ozu n'ime ya adị anyị. Ma na ndogwu, ma na ndụ bụ ini ozu, ndokwa bụ ini ozu. Enweghị ihe anyị dị ndụ mee. oke awa ọdịnala Igbo ete n'ure a na-agwa ha ka erere uwe ha sị mba nọdịzie ebe a nsogbu adịghị we have chosen ka anyị hapụzie gị die then anyị buruzie ndozi ọdịnala jebe ribezie ọdịnala ahụ we have left to you ebe isi na ị chọrọ ịnọ ebe ahụ yes na ndụ yes that's it yotago that's it otu a ka esi eme ya nwere otu ọzọ nke ịma na nke furu efu because o nwere ndị furu efu dozikwe ya ịmara ndị agha furu efu dozie ya onweghị ịnọkọta iwere ụmụazị ịma ha wụ illusion assumption n'onwe ya hallucination n'onwe ya iwe were ha na justify nna gị ndị ịmara nna gị wụ ndị mbụ ndị ọkpụ na ndị egede ndị mbụ ndị ọkpụ na ndị egede na ndị ichie ndị ịmana dị amaghị ndị erugo n'eluigwe were na compare ụmụazị onye pụta gbuo ewu na ọkọ sị gị ihe abụọ dị n'anya anyị you believe them you kwere na ihe ụmụazị ya na ụmụazị onye nya eriri n'aka sị na ọgwụ onye a nya eriri n'aka o develop bụ onwe ya to be a defense system mba ọ eriri mmadụ nyere ya ọ mabeghị na isi mkpiri na-akpa mkpi onye na-ama ha na isi mkpiri na-akpa mkpi na protection of a man is inside not outside onye ka na-eje gọrọ ọgwụ n'iro o ji eche onwe ya onye jere gọrọ ọgwụ o ji eche onwe ya n'iro ka ị ka ji amatụ nwanne ọ bụrụ otu aha ka esi eme biko taa nwanne nwere isi oyi ọsịsọ na isi n'enye igwe bịa ọka aga obi ikwere ọka ịga obi hapụ o nwere ihe anyị si gị nye anyị ọ bịara gị ụgwọ mba nụnụ anyị si n'enye igwe gbadata anyị kwere nkwa ndị nkwa anyị kwuru anyị ga-emezu ya so a sị m na ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma ụmụ ibe